Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK S720 not mopping or leaving your floor dry. Let's begin with the first thing, checking the clean water tank. It's on top of the dock station. The clean water tank has this symbol. There's also a dirty water tank which you should pay attention to. The dirty water tank should be empty. If there's something in it, empty it by opening the latch, rinse it with water, close it, and put it back. The clean water tank should be filled, but leave a small margin at the top. Close it and put it back, making sure it's seated correctly and lays flat. Next, check whether your mop pads are seated correctly. Flip the robot over and the mop pads should be there. You can remove the mops as they're attached with magnets. It retracts the mop mounts automatically. When you get close, it automatically retracts and you can push them in. If none of that helped, make sure you have the correct settings in the app. Select the bottom left corner and make sure a mode that includes mopping is selected. Vacuum mode won't mop, but mop, vacuum, and mop, or vacuum followed by mop will. Make sure the correct water flow is selected. I recommend setting it to 15, which is medium. You can try higher, but don't go to level 30 as that may leave floors excessively dry, cause smudges, and the robot may slip. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.